So what is L2L Dispatch? Production disruptions happen every day on your manufacturing floor. Disruptions like machine downtime, material shortages, quality defects, and safety issues. Frontline workers need to be connected to the systems and tools that can help prevent these disruptions from happening. L2L Dispatch solves this problem by capturing all of these events in real time and putting that information into the hands of those who need it the most. L2L Dispatch creates a unique event called a dispatch for each disruption at the moment it occurs. Data such as downtime, response time, resources assigned, spare parts consumed, downtime codes, and much more is captured in real time. The creation of a dispatch can also trigger an array of custom workflows, such as mobile notifications, digital checklists, follow-up questions, or training videos, just to name a few. Simply put, when an event happens, L2L Dispatch captures all of the important data in real time on a single digital platform. Leadership then uses this data to get a clear view of the work and disruptions happening on the shop floor. And the connected worker now has visibility of the data, information, and resources they need to help you get your plant back up and running. To learn more about L2L Dispatch, go to L2L.com or send us an email to info@L2L.com.